Everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package. I just unboxed it, and I'm going to show it to you. This is from a company called EasyDIY. EasyDIY. Yep. Promotional products they sent to me, and I would like to show you because there's some things here I really am excited about. Okay, let's go for this one first. I have shown you one of these, but I wanted another one. I think I want to get like enough for like all of the grandkids, because these will be cute little treat bags. You know, put some little goodies in there for the kids for Christmas. That's my thought. It's the same kind of burlap that Krafts toolkit's made out of. It's that soft, silky kind of a burlap bag. I like it. Look at the cute little Christmas teddy bear. He's adorable. That's my plan, is to get these and use them for the kids for Christmas. All right. It's got some special drills, not very many. Oh, look, we get some little clear slivers right off the bat. Yay, slivers. Go, slivers. And then we have some yellow, some orangey, real orange, green, clear, and red. Just a nice selection of little drills there. So, what do you think about that idea, using them for little bags for the kids for Christmas? I think they're perfect. I think it's great. You could put quite a few things in there. I think it's cute. All right, so that's the first item. All right, now the next thing is, you know, I'm hooked on these hanging ornament type things. Had to get another one. So let me show you what this one is. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? There's our, hang on. Wait, we got pieces and parts. Hang on, we got more stuff coming out here. It's not whole, folks. It's not whole. There's our drills. What else do we have? There's more. Come on. What else? A bag of stuff. Okay. All right. The box is empty. All right. There's our toolkit. There's our drills. Okay. So he comes in pieces. Is he double-sided? No, he's one-sided. Okay. So we have Santa saying Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. And he says Merry Christmas right there. Okay. But he comes in parts. Okay. This is acrylic, as you saw. It's acrylic. Okay. Very nice. Nice, thick acrylic. All right. And he comes with parts. Let's see what his parts are. Parts are parts. All right. So, oh, we have that. Oh, boy. Construction again. Construction. I'm not good at construction. Okay, we got all kinds of things. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, couldn't this have all come as one thing? I mean, seriously. This I get. That's the hanging chain. Okay, look at all of this, you guys. Oh, boy. Okay, so there's a couple chains like that. I don't know why. We have all these. These are just plastic. We have shapes. This is like all broken, I think. Or there's just little pieces here. I don't know. 3 little pieces. 4 little pieces. A buttload of jump rings. I'll show you the picture in a minute. More jump rings. More jump rings. Okay. So we have, it looks like we're going to have 5, 6. How many? I don't know. Can you even see what I'm doing here? Probably not. Okay, we got all these jump rings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What in the world? Dale. Okay, all right. Okay, so here's how it goes. From him to him, we use these guys, the little gold ones, okay? And that attaches these 2 pieces together. So these 2 will go together. Are you following this? These 2 will go together with this guy, all right? So here's our hanging chain. These guys connect this. All right, then you'll have these little ones that go into the shapes and then into the big gems. So you'll have a little one that hooks with a jump ring to here, following me? And then a shape, and then a chain, more jump rings. I'm sure there's a jump ring at every juncture. Jump ring, jump ring, jump ring, and then this guy. Oh boy, follow that? And then you'll do the same thing 2 more times, right? Yeah, 2 more times. This guy, and he comes here, he comes here. You see how this works? Oh my gosh. Wow, why couldn't this have just come put together? That would have been nice, wouldn't it? Okay, all right. And then jump rings to connect everything together. Following that? I'll just give this to Dale one day. I'll be like, hey, honey, look, this is what it's supposed to do. Can you just put that together for me? Because these little jump rings, oh my gosh, these jump rings, they're hard. Okay, these aren't. These are just going to pull apart. Okay, let me see if you can get, they just pull apart. So you can just go like this, and you're going to hook this into your chain like this. Boop. Okay, and then squish it back together. Squish it, squish it, squish it hard. All right, and then connect another one and connect it to this. Okay. Yeah, honey, help me out here. I'll just give him this little project. I'll be like, you like to do this kind of stuff. You like to help out your wife, don't you? All right, don't let me lose anything here. Let me get all the little pieces and the parts back in here. Sorry. I feel like I'm picking up drills. They're so tiny and fussy. They fussy. All right, get my little chains. The chains are nice. They're almost like a stainless steel look, kind of. But, or aluminum. Aluminum. I don't know. There's something. All right, come on, all my little parts. Parts, pieces, and parts. Sorry, I have to do this because, you know, I'll lose stuff if I don't put it all back. So there's a little direction how you put it together. And then our hanging chain. All right, it's cute. Super cute. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh, we didn't even look at the drills or anything. What do we have? Okay, before I move on, sorry, I have to pick up all these little pieces right here. What do I do with them now? Put them in the bag. The bag's over here. Okay. Those are just broken little chain pieces, I think. Okay. Drills. Do you want to see the drills? I mean, we're not going to look at the drills. They're yellow, green. Go. Okay, there's a couple cool ones in here. It's taking so long with that. Seriously. Sit tight, folks. Sit tight. We'll get there. There goes our specials. Okay, gold, orange, red, green, clear, and white AB. Okay, see, there's something a little cool. Then we have some specials. Some marquee, some reds, and some little tiny, tiny snowflakes. I have never had them that small before, but those are cool. There's our drills. It will be really pretty. Kind of a pain in the patootie, but you know, okay. All right, last item. Last item. I'm so excited. I've been seeing people get these, and I'm like, I want one, I want one. I want one, I want one. And I got one. All right. I'm all about the home decor. Oh, sorry, there's more stickies, more stickies. Okay, I think we're in. We're in. We're in. Okay, can you see it? You can see it. Okay, here's my main piece. Again, it's the acrylic, and it says, welcome. Okay, so it's got birds. I call these bluebirds. I think they're bluebirds. So you drill the letters, you drill the birds, you do all that stuff, okay? All right, this is acrylic. Okay, how does this work then if it's acrylic? Because these are magnet. These are magnetic. How is that going to attach to acrylic? Unless there's magnet inside there somewhere. Or we put a magnet on the back. I don't know how this will work. So there's a whole bunch of designs. Yeah, that won't stick there. How in tarnation does anybody think that will stick on there? These are supposed to stick on this. Am I totally mistaken here or what? Oh, that's sticky. How long is that going to stay sticky? How long will that stay sticky? The other ones I've seen, the base was magnetic. And these are magnets. Right? That's not magnetic. Hang on. I'm certain this is magnetic. What do I have that's... yeah. Okay, that's magnet. For sure. Okay, see it. But this is not. Okay, I have a solution for this. This is not going to stay sticky. That little circle will not stay sticky for long, but you can buy magnet. And that's what I will do, is I will buy some adhesive magnet to put over this when it is no longer sticky. And then it will magnetize right to it. It'll stick to it because it'll be not the best thought here, not the best design, if you're asking me. Okay, let me add one little thing to this unboxing. As I was picking things up, putting things away, I moved the toolkit and I went, oh, well, look at that. So apparently the disc sticks to the sign. Oh man, see, they weren't so silly. Yeah, I was. Okay, here's what happens when you don't check your stuff over thoroughly. So the disc sticks on there, and then the magnets will stick to the disc. Hello. Oh my goodness. Okay, problem solved. Like I said, you guys, it's been a day of figuring things out. Just figuring things out. I still don't have an answer for this guy over here. He definitely is, okay. There you go, guys. Cute. If it would have been metal, I thought it would be metal, but it's not. Okay, anyhow, here's what we have for our shapes. All of them get diamond painted. We have a mandala. We have a rose. We have a little puppy dog. We have a snowman. So that will be my January one. We have an Easter one. There's Easter. We have a sugar skull. Well, there's Halloween, October. Love for February. All right. Or you can, oh, no, he's a turkey. At first I thought he was a bat. He's a turkey. So there's Thanksgiving. There's November. 4th of July. Get our star. Shamrock for March, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas. See, this is Christmas and this is January, right? That's how I do it. And then this one is a pretty flower. So like June, maybe June. We'll see. All right. So there's the pretty designs. Like I said, they're all magnets on the back. So why didn't they put this on metal? I don't know. Okay, but we can make it work. We'll make it work. Like I said, you can buy sticky magnet. And when that's no longer sticky, I'll just put magnet on there and that can just stick to it. So we have lots of drills. We can go through the drills real quick. This will take a while to do. All the separate little medallions that go in the center and then everything you drill on the sign itself. It'll take a while. Lots of greens. Apparently this is the green strip. Champagne, bronzy color. That's a gray. Blue, another bronze. Blue. Ooh. Oh, whoa, those are cool. Okay, can you see these? I have gotten these before in a marquee shape where they're like crystal on the bottom and the tops are gold. But this one, wait. Okay, that one's just backwards. Yeah. The bottoms are the crystal and the tops are gold. That's pretty cool. I mean, do you see the crystal when you put them on? I don't know. I don't know if you see them that well. But there's that. So each of these, you'll just find the correct number bag, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, whatever bag, they're all. Some have letters. Sorry, excuse me. Some have letters. Some have numbers. These are all numbers all the way up through 25, 7, 12. I don't see letters. I see no letters. Oh, I know. Okay, this bag goes up there. That's for the sign. This is for all of the medallions. Ah, got it. Whew, man, today I feel like Detective Mindy. It has just been one of those days of figuring things out. Last video I recorded, I was like, what do I do with this? It's just been one of those days. Lots and lots of colors here. Oh, those are slivers, purple slivers. Okay. I'll just show you the colors real quick. I mean, you know, there's going to be all kinds of colors. I'm sure the rhinestones aren't all that exciting, but then we just have, oh, we have some shards. Love my shards. Some black, a few slivers there. Yellow pearls. See, there's those gold with the crystal on the bottom. Crystal on the bottom, gold on the top. I don't think you actually ever see the crystal, but I don't know. Couple stars, some reds, some pink pearls, some purple, marquee, pearl. Those are beautiful. There's what we get. Fun little project. Could have been done a little better to my standard, but you know, it's not a deal breaker. I can make it work. So anyhow, that's what I got today, you guys. Wish me luck with the snowman hangy thing, or wish Dale luck. The problem with those little jump rings is getting them back together tight enough so that they don't come apart. Wonder if you could put a little dab of glue there somehow to keep them together. I don't know. That's an experiment for sure. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with all this craziness. I know it got all weird, but all right. Hit the like button if you enjoyed any of this. Subscribe if you'd like to come back and see more stuff. And, you know, maybe I'll just turn these all into magnets and just put them all over my refrigerator. Do that. Okay. Thanks, everybody. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.